I added up my SaaS subscriptions last month, $500 every month for 5 tools. Then I checked how much of each tool I actually use, about 10%. So I spent one weekend rebuilding that 10% in Claude Code. Here's what survived, what didn't, and the real math. First, the audit. 5 tools: an automation platform, a scheduling tool, a social media scheduler, an email newsletter tool, and a monitoring service. I exported my usage from each one. The pattern was brutal. In every single tool I used 2, maybe 3 features. The rest, paying for a buffet, eating the bread. The plan, rebuild only what I use. Not the whole tools, just my 10%. In one folder I set up a Claude.md. It lists the jobs. Watch my inbox for invoices, post my content queue on schedule, send my weekly report, ping me when a competitor's pricing page changes, plus the rules, what needs my approval, what runs on its own, retry limits. 1 page, that file is the whole spec. Saturday morning, job 1, the automation flows. Claude Code plus 2 MCP connectors covered what I had in my automation platform. File lands in a folder, gets parsed, lands in a spreadsheet. 20 minutes. Job 2, content scheduling. A queue file plus a scheduled agent that posts from it. Job 3, the weekly report. Claude pulls the numbers, writes the summary, emails it Sunday night. Job 4, price monitoring, a scheduled check on 3 pages, diff against last week, message me only if something changed. By Sunday evening, all 4 were running. 2 weeks later, here's the honest scorecard. The automation flows, fully replaced, and honestly better, because they do exactly my case instead of a generic template. The weekly report, replaced, and I like this one more than the original. The price monitoring, replaced trivially. The content scheduler, replaced with 1 asterisk. No preview UI. I edit a text file instead of dragging cards. I'm fine with that. Most people would hate it. Now what didn't work? The email newsletter tool, I kept it. Sending bulk email means deliverability infrastructure, sender reputation, bounce handling, unsubscribe compliance. Rebuilding that is a terrible idea, and half rebuilding it gets your domain burned. Also kept anything my team touches. My setup has no interface. For me, that's a feature. For a team, it's a support ticket generator. So the honest rule, solo workflows with no infrastructure behind them. Rebuild. Anything with deliverability, compliance, or teammates, keep paying. That money buys real things. The math, without the YouTube gloss. Before, $500 a month. After, $60 for the newsletter tool, about $15 in API costs, roughly $425 a month saved. Call it $5 grand a year. The cost side, 1 weekend to build, and about an hour a month of maintenance when something shifts. If your hourly rate makes that hour expensive, this trade might not be for you. For me, it's the easiest $5 grand I've made sitting down. Real talk before you cancel anything. How well this works depends on what you own. Your Claude.md, your rules, how weird your workflows are. My Claude.md and the 4 job specs are in the description. Adapt them. And if your tools genuinely earn their subscription, keep them. That's not a failure, that's math. Your turn. What's the first subscription you'd rebuild? Drop it in the comments.